Hello everyone, I am Vishal Yadav, second year physio student. So now I was going to present one topic in exercise therapy. So my topic was hip strategy. So definition of hip strategy. Hip strategy is a balanced recovery technique in which the body uses rapid movement at the hip joint to maintain balance when standing. uh, Introduction of hip strategy. What is hip strategy? A postural control mechanism used when balance is disturbed, helps prevent falls, involves movement of the trunk and hips. So explanation when our body start to lose balance, we quickly move our hip to bring the center of gravity back over the feet. How hip strategy work? So mechanism, first one is balance is disturbed, then hip muscle activity quickly, trunk bends forward or backward, center of gravity return to normal position. Example like standing on a narrow beam and suddenly being pushed slightly. We said that one person was stand in any slides and someone pulled with the back side. Then we easily know that this person have lost the balance, so they are disturbed with they go out front forward or backward, they go left side or right side. It's depend on the balance. So the muscle involved, main muscle, abdominal muscles, back extensor muscle and hip flexor, hip extensors. These are the main muscles. Function: control trunk movement, restore body balance. These muscles work together to keep us upright. When hip strategy is used, situation like standing on a narrow surface, sudden a strong perturbation, when ankle strategy is insufficient during a sports activity. Example like walking on a balance beam, standing in a moving bus. Clinical importance. Importance in a physiotherapy: improve balance control, reduce risk of fall, used in a rehabilitation, like helps elderly and neurological patients. Training method: so balance board exercise is a single leg standing, dynamic balance training. So overall, this topic conclusion was hip strategy is a balance recovery mechanism. Use rapid hip and trunk movement activated during larger balance disturbance, and the last one is importance in physiotherapy rehabilitation. So my topic was completed. Thank you everyone.